What's going on, guys? This is Joubert, and today I'm gonna show you how to use HighLevel to run, automate, and scale your entire life insurance business, even if you're brand new to automation. So grab your pen and paper if you're in life insurance and you're an agent and you want to be able to sell term life, IULs, whole life, final expense, Medicare, annuities, mortgage protection, or recruit and build out your team. This video is for you. And you already know the truth. Most insurance agents aren't struggling with selling. They're excellent at it. They're struggling with, guess what? Lead follow-up, booking appointments, keeping prospects warm, right? Client onboarding, policy reviews, agent management, that's a big one, and staying organized. So this tool, HighLevel, help fix every piece of this information that I share. And guess what? Today you learn exactly how to build an automated appointment funnel, how to pre-qualify and warm your leads, super important, and be able to do it on autopilot, how to stop leads from ghosting. Ooh, be ready to take questions there. How to run a predictable follow-up machine, how to onboard clients instantly, how to recruit and manage agents with automation. Plus, we got 2 additional bonuses of automation strategy that I haven't heard anybody else talk about that I'm going to share with you today. So to get the ball rolling, what I would like to do is grab pen, grab paper or notepad. Let's dive in. All right. The number one problem that I see in life insurance, and I know a lot of life insurance agents, is not lead generation, right? That's a percentage, a small percentage. It's response time and consistency problem. You aren't losing deals because you can't sell. You're losing deals because you call back too late. You don't follow up enough. That consistency in follow up is golden. You forget to recontact. You let warm leads go cold. You have no organized system to keep you going at higher scale. And I think HighLevel can solve all of this by becoming the back-end engine that runs your entire business. All right. So I'm gonna share a couple systems that you can set up to get the ball rolling. System number 1, the automated appointment funnel, right? Let's talk about it. Every life insurance agent needs an automated appointment setter, okay? You can have a VA, but it's good to have something automated as well. Basically, a lead capture form, prospects come in, they fill out the form, the product they're interested in, age range, income range, existing coverage if they have some, dependents contact method, preferred meeting time, right? So they put all that stuff in there. The moment they click submit, boom, their contact is automatically added into HighLevel. The lead is automatically assigned a tag. The pipeline card is created. Your follow-up workflow is automatically activated. And guess what happened? Less than 15 seconds, they get a follow-up. All right. HighLevel can send a follow-up text, email, or personalized. Something like, hey John, got your request. Here's the link to schedule a call with us, right? Confirmation email goes out right away. Even a voicemail is being dropped, or you can have your AI make the call. This is like triples your appointment rates because prospects respond to speed, and success loves speed. I keep saying that. My mentor said it to me, and I keep saying that because it's super valuable. All right. Step 3, automated the appointment reminders. That should remove or eliminate most of your no-shows. So what do I mean by that? You have a 24-hour reminder, you have a 2-hour reminder, you have a 10-minute text reminder, right? This alone can help increase your kept appointment because you're in front of their face. And that can probably increase between 20 to 50%, right? System number 2, the insurance sales pipeline that never lets a lead slip away. So what do I mean by that? You can create a drag and drop insurance pipeline where basically in your pipeline you have new leads coming in, engage, appointment set, appointment completed, application sent, application submitted, approved, right? Policy issues, review, and referral. That's the goal. Right in the bottom. Every stage is triggers, every stage is automated from SMS or text update, nurturing, internal alerts, appointments, links, right? Agent notification, so you get a notification when all this thing is happening. Think of it having kind of like a 24/7 assistant, right? Even if you're a solo agent, you can use that to help you go to the next level. System number 3 is automated policy onboarding plus client experience. So what do I mean by that? After you close a deal, most agents go silent. Big issue, right? You can fix that, and what you can set up is kind of like a welcome sequence, right? So as soon as the application is submitted, um, boom, a welcome text goes out, welcome emails goes out, explaining what happens next. Okay, how to prepare for underwriting, right? Link to they're required for documents. Okay, step 2, underwriting status, right? Really updates the clients on what's happening. You know, when your clients receive like an application received, right? Underwriting in progress, right? Additional documents is needed. Okay, final decision is made. All right, so all those little texts and messaging goes out, create that status where they feel that they're informed. You look more professional and you don't spend hours sending emails because all this is already automated. And then step 3, policy delivery workflow. So what do I mean by that? Once approved, you can have HighLevel automatically schedule a policy delivery call where you can walk them through everything, educate them on what's happening, send documents, trigger referral request sequence, right? Add clients to your annual review list so they can automatically get that text when their annual review is coming up, right? This creates lifetime value without extra effort, and you stay in their face. So now they know who you are, okay? And they can remember you, right? System number 4, if you're building a team, agent recruitment and training automation. If you're building a team, this to me is game changing because you can use HighLevel where you can automate the agent applications, the interviews, the onboarding, the contracting steps, the training modules, certification reminders, because you know they need them, performance tracking, right? And you can duplicate that whole system that you have for yourself for them. So that makes you more attractive as a recruiter, right? And you can automate your weekly check-ins, right? Hey, how many dials did you make today? How many appointments did you book today? How many applications did you write? Right? Those are all automated text that's going out. It's like having a sales manager without paying for one. Okay? Now, I want to give you guys a real life example. So imagine that there's a team of 6 life insurance agents drowning, right? So much work, overwhelmed, they're losing leads, they're overrun by all the admin work, they're missing on follow-ups, they're not consistent with their script, they're unable to track agent performance, big one. And guess what? With HighLevel, you can literally set up systems that can lead to appointment automation, right? Appointment reminders automated, agent onboarding automated, right? A 30 to 45 days follow-up machine automated, referral workflow automated, annual reviews automated. So you have all these things set up and automated, and guess what's going to happen? You're going to get more appointments, let's say 3 times more policies going to be issued, 60% more referrals going to come in because of that, agents performing consistently, and it becomes easier to manage. All right, automation is not going to replace your effort. It's not the end all, but it could help you multiply what you're doing. Make sense? So I'm also going to share 2 creative strategies that you can, that I don't hear too many people talk about. I don't think I heard anybody talk about these, but hopefully you take some notes, and I believe these can potentially help you as well. Strategy 1 is a life event trigger automation. So what do I mean by that? So think of it this way. You can set it up where when they fill out the form, you get their birthday, their anniversary, you know, even job changes because you manage their LinkedIn and stuff, children added to family, marriage status, engagement announcement, new home purchases, right? You can use a simple integration and a virtual assistant. So where your system can automatically send, hey, congrats on your new home. Let's review your policy, right? To make sure that your family is fully covered and protected. Or something like, hey, happy birthday. This is the perfect time to evaluate whether your current coverage still meets your goals, right? So that's the way you can stay in touch, and that can be automated once you have those data points in the system. This make it natural sales conversation without being salesy. All right. Strategy number 2, future policy review machine. So most agents, they don't follow up enough after the sale. And I believe you can build a 12-month review cycle that allow you to consistently follow up in automation. Month 1, how you liking your policy? Month 6, let's do a mid-year check-in. Month 11, time for an annual review. Month 12, book your renewal meeting now. Click the link, right? All that is set up and automated. This leads to more upsells, more cross-sells, more annuity conversations, and guess what? More referrals and more retention. Think about this. These 2 strategies alone can double your book of business over time. So take advantage of them, use them, because that can actually help you go to the next level. And guess what? I believe that every insurance agent don't just need system, they also need a virtual assistant that can handle lead qualifications, appointment bookings, right? Underwriting updates, policy delivery, CRM management, okay? Document collections, agent onboarding, follow-up messages, right? The little stuff about the birthday, anniversary, they can monitor the social media so they can take notes on these. This free you to do what matters. You focus on selling more policies, adding more values to your client, building your book and grow your agency. And now you have a team and system in the back end. So you now feel more organized, your appointments is more predictable, you can grow and scale faster and better. And guess what? If you want automation running while you sleep, I believe HighLevel is the tool that you can use. Plus a team of VA. We have the team that can actually set up these tools for you and at the same time manage them. Our system manager manage these tools so things are running smoothly. If you like this, take advantage of the free 30-day trial of HighLevel so you can test it out and book a strategy call with our team so we can place the right VA to help you. Let's work together. Let's automate your life insurance business. Let's go.